Hello everyone. So, what do we have today on the table? We got blood sausage. I got few peeps asking me about how it's look and how it is made and all those stuff. That's the look of blood sausage. We also got like 2 cloves of garlic, 2 not too big onions, and that's it. What we need for our today's recipe. And how those sausage was made. Basically, most of the mass of it is groats plus some skin from the pig, cheek meat from the pigs, I mean cheek. And what else we got there? Some livers, some lungs, and a lot of rest. And of course the self color give us information. It was added some blood into it, fresh blood of the pigs. It's added to those sausage, but it's not really a lot. It's not bloody when you cut it in the half, no worry for that. But yeah, just self-name blood sausage. It's scary a lot of peeps, but it's very good and very tasty, and I will show you today how to prepare that in a very easy way. And yeah, will be just cool. So let me drop you into the holder, I mean my tripod in here, and then we'll begin to cook. So okay, so first things what we need to do is get rid of the skin from the self sausage. So let's just give a tiny cut and just take it away, just like so. There we go, that's finished. Let's take it aside. Okay, so second things what we need to do, get our onions. So let's just get rid of the peels. Okay, we got onions peeled off, so let's cut it. Okay, so that's it with the onion. That easy it was. Then we got our garlic. So let's just cut the top off. So there we go, all ingredients ready. sausages, onion, garlic. That's all what we need. So now we need to move to another locations. Okay, so we got our frying pan with olive oil in it. I put a little bit too much, but yeah, that's the way it go. So first we go with the onion, just like so, and then begin to mix it. But what is unusual, we will not wait until those onions get soft and nice. We will add our garlic and sausage right away, because our sausage as well need to warm up before we can just break it down. So let's add our sausage. Let's give it a little stir. Because right now it's almost impossible to cut it into a part, as you can see, and in like, let's say 1-2 minutes it will be, and then it mix up very well with the onions. So right now I believe this is a good time for adding our garlic. And I go down with the temperature for medium. Yeah, now it's quite easy to just take those things apart, as you can see. Okay, as you can see now, all sausage break down to the nice consistency, and yeah, it's looking good. So what left to do, it will be just put on the plate and maybe decorate of something. Also, as you see, I did not add any herbs, spices or whatever, so we are just having our sausage plus fresh onion fried, all great taste. Okay peeps, in my opinion that is totally ready. So let me get a plate and I will just drop it on it. So there we go. Okay, I just realized this is portion for 2 person. I supposed to put it in 2 plates instead of 1, but anyway, it will be only for me because my wifey doesn't like that. I don't know, because of the names or taste. In my opinion, taste is cool. And what I will do next with this plate, I will just put some mustard at the side and that will be it. Okay, so got some mustard. That is an ready dish. Oh yeah, something fall out. Anyway, got no fresh veggies. Anyway, so that's the effect of blood sausage plus mustard and onions and garlic. I hope you like it. I hope you try it, and see you all at the next one.